Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Braun Series 3 ProSkin 3040 electric razor for men, rechargeable, and cordless electric shaver, wet-dry foil shaver, blue. Electric razors have a hard time with curlier hair, and Latino beards are thicker than Caucasian ones. Shave was good at first, after a few months head needs replacement, or the shave is medium. Works as advertised, gets in close, and the charge is more than enough to get the job done. If the box had not gotten thrown away by mistake, it would have been returned. The cleaning part of it doesn't not clean the hairs from inside the razor head, opened it up to a buttload of gunked up hairs. Here's what you should expect if you are a potential buyer of an electric razor: not a very close shave. It eliminates the need for shaving cream, which saves you money, and the razor holds a charge for a long time. Like any electric razor, it is not the closest shave in the world, but it is fast and efficient. It leaves little irritation, and does not require you to go over the same spot over and over again. Misses hairs, and have to go over same hair in different angles many times to try to get them. This is a wonderful razor that shaves close, shaves quickly, and the charge lasts a very long time. Our facial hair isn't extremely thick, and is pretty short, and this shaver barely removes any hair. As it is easier than the normal way to shave, it does leave some patches around the neck lower facial area. It leaves your skin so much smoother than the Norelco, with no nips at you like the Norelco would do. It too has the more powerful motor. The head is similar to the 5 series, and it has the upgraded display of the 9 series. It charges you shaver, gives you a place to safely store it, cleans the shaver, and lubricates it to keep it in peak running shape. It's too easy to be caught up in the features and miss the for not all models. Shaves faster, holds battery charge longer, trimmer works better than the old one that flipped out from the side. It's very nice, but when you apply shaving cream and try this, you need to make multiple passes before anything is trimmed and cut. There is a specific way you might need to shave for it to be effective. Fair at best, not good for Afro-American beards. Pulls hair and dry shave, slightly better wet shave. After that, the lights on the front of the razor would continually flash, and the razor would not power on. Unfortunately, they no longer make it, or anything like it, which gave me reason to look for something else. But it charges great, and the time in between charging and shaving is substantial. Cleanup is easy. Only thing is that the trimmer on the backside can be a little better. Other than that, good item. Cuts shaves excellent. Love that you can remove head to wash and not damage. It leaves you with a nice soft feel on your face. This now have instructions on how to change the batteries, and they are regular chargeable batteries. The shaver is great, but if you ever need to order a replacement part, or contact them for any work, then you are Saul. This shaver cuts closely, painlessly, is easy to grasp, and has an excellent trimmer. The trimmer is V. Initially, head was a little difficult to put back, but okay after a few tries. Got a call today that the giftee went to charge the shaver, but the charger was missing from the box. Probably wouldn't buy it again, and would spend the money on a better product where he only has to shave once. Maybe it's fine for people who like electric razors, but be wary if you're trying it out for the first time. The shaver looks very cool, and it's nice to handle. However, it does not shave all that well. Don't know if its system does not pull the hairs out before trimming them. The fact is that after lunch, you can feel your beard again. Basically, the cutter block is moved back and forth by some small plastic nibs that rest on small metal spikes at the top of the main shaver body. They are a bit tricky, and do not take returns if your item arrives and is not what you wanted. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.